In this video, I will show you how to track your progress in the MAS portal. To do this, you simply need to check your metrics on the MAS portal dashboard page. These metrics provide you all of the key information you need to make important business decisions. Let's take a look now. At the top of the dashboard page, you will see 6 key metrics that you can use to both track and improve your game's performance. On the far left, you'll see estimated revenue. We call it estimated because the mediations often give a different finalized version based on an audit they do of all of the data that they generate for your game. For more information, simply hover over the eye icon in order to get a clear definition. Next up, we have impressions. An impression is any time a user successfully interacts with an advertisement in your game. The more impressions you have, the more revenue you'll generate. Next up, we have ECPM, effective cost per mile, which refers to the dollar value you're paid for every 1,000 impressions that your game generates. For a deeper analysis, you can check out ARPDAU, which refers to the average revenue per daily active user. An easy way to think about ARPDAU is that it is the amount of revenue each of your active players generates every day. So, if you see a high ARPDAU, it means that your monetization is going well. If you're interested in the number of impressions that each player of your game is generating, we have impressions per DAU. This is simply how many ads a given player in your game interacts with per day. It's a useful metric because if your impressions per DAU is low, you probably need to consider changing your monetization strategy to make sure more players are interacting with ads. Finally, we have average DAU. DAU, or daily active users, simply means the number of users of your game in a given day. The average DAU is simply the average of all players per day across a given time period, such as this graph, which is 7 days. View by allows you to choose from 4 options. Application, which refers to all of the different games you have using MAS. Platform, which refers to Google Play or App Store. Country, which allows you to break down your data by all of the different countries where your game is being played. And ad type, which allows you to see your data by a given ad type, such as banners, interstitials, or rewarded videos. In addition, you can filter your data to see the performance of your game given specific criteria. For example, you could choose to see how your game performs with interstitials on one specific application and choose a country such as the United States, as well as a platform like Android, and a given time period, which you can manipulate via a calendar or simply choose a predetermined time period from a drop-down menu. Once you press OK, the graph here will change as well as the metrics so that you have a better idea of how your game is performing in certain scenarios. And that's it for tracking your performance. It's very straightforward, and making sure that you're doing this regularly will help you to improve your game and also see the value that you're getting from using MAS. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.